h minus 5 is equal to h. H minus 5 is equal to h, squaring on both sides. H minus 5 into h minus 5 is equal to h square. H into h square minus h into 5, 5h minus 5 into h, 5h plus 5 into 5, 25 is equal to h square. H square minus 10h plus 25 is equal to h square. H square minus 10h plus 25 minus h square is equal to 0. Plus h square minus h square cancel. Minus 10h plus 25 is equal to 0. Minus 10h is equal to minus 25. Both sides divide minus 10. Minus 10 minus 10 cancel. 5 2s are 5 5s are. H is equal to 5 by 2.